Hello, my dear friends. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah, the salesperson of QL Custom Technology Limited Company, working on jobs from inquiry to goods delivery. And I'd like to introduce the normal customization process of our company. It could be divided into 5 steps. And first of all is inquiry and demands confirmation. We could provide you with suitable cable solutions based on your different application. And secondly is order confirmation. In this stage, it includes quotation, contracting payment, and etc. And thirdly, we could enter to the drawing or prototypes confirmation. We could provide you with one or both of them according to your specific needs. In this way, you can confirm some details in a very short cycle. Once the drawing or samples be confirmed, we could enter the mass production. In this stage, it includes material preparation, wiring, carting, terminal cribbing, assembly, inspection, and so on. And the final step is mass shipping and delivery. You can choose shipped by us or by yourself. Both methods are acceptable. If shipped by us, we would quote you the shipping cost. And if shipped by yourself, you just need to tell us your express account or forwarder information. Thanks for your listening and welcome to contact us. Start your customization journey.